Okay, let's see. Am I live? Wait a second. Hello, hello, hello. Mic check, mic check. Mm, hello, hello, hello. Mic check, mic check. Okay, okay. Okay, so today I will be solving these two questions. Okay, let's see. Uh, this question I tried to attempt previously, but I was not able to do it. So let's do it again. With my pen here. Okay. Okay. Where is my speed? Okay. So here, let's see. So in this question, we were given some servers and we were given some tasks, right? And what we have to do is we wanted to assign each task a server based on some condition, right? So condition was that, but if I remember correctly, condition was that only the free servers, whichever server is free, right? Among those, only the uh, minimum, minimum, what minimum weight server will be assigned, right? And if the server weight is equal, then we need to find the what the server which have minimum index. Okay, okay, that is fine in my opinion. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say 332, right? Yes, 332. Okay, fine. So we were given task 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, right? Okay. Hmm. First of all, let's check the server length will be n. Okay, okay. Okay. Now I want to assign every task, right? So first of all, what I will do is, since I want the answer for every task, I will iterate on the whole task array, right? Okay, so I will iterate on the whole task array. Then what I will do is, for every task, I need to determine which of the server is currently free, which of the server is currently free, okay? And also among the free, I will have a minimum value and a minimum index, okay? Okay, so, hmm, so what I can do is, I can create a maybe a set that will store the free servers, right, based on the first of all weight and then the index, right? So I can use a set that will what it will do, it will store the free servers, right? Hmm. Now, okay, let's take an example. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, so we have server 3, 3, 2, and index is 0, 1, 2. Okay, and the task is this. Task is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't know what is this. Let me is okay, so it is one. Okay, okay. So it is 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, right? Okay. So now currently my set will have what? Currently my set will have 2, comma 2. So this first one is the weight and second one is the index, right? Okay. So next is will be 3 comma 0 and 3 comma 1. Okay. So what I will do is for this I will choose this one 2 comma 2. Okay, right? I choose this. I pop this. Can I pop this? Yes, I can erase this, right? Okay, I erase this. Hmm. And for this the index will be 2, right? And now what I want to do is I need some another data structure, right? Which will store that whether for this index, this all available will be there. So what I need to do, I will create a here a map, in my opinion, map, right? Which will store that for, okay, so at time of 3, these servers will be available. So right now what I did, I popped this 2 comma 2, right? Now I know this server will be available at now, what second? So this server says, okay, so current time is 1, right? Okay, so let's say timer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, so current timer is 1. Okay, so it will take 2 times. So I know this 2 comma 2 will be available at second time. So what I will do is I will store this in a map 2 comma 2 and I will move on to the next time index. So at time 2, I am at this index, right? So first of all, what I will do is I will first of all look in my map. Is there any server which is going to be free at this time? 2 time. Yes, 2 comma 2. What I will do is again push it. I will push it. Okay, fine. Right. Now I will calculate for this. Again, it will come 2 and this will pop out. Okay, so now this is over, right? For we don't want the okay. Let's see. So now 2 comma 2 is what again popped out. Now this will take how much time? So I'm currently at 2 and this is taking 2 times, right? So it will now be available at 4th second. So I will say, okay, at 4th second, 2 comma 2 server will be available, right? This server will be available. Okay. So now I'm currently at 3. Okay, so 3, I popped this out 3 comma 0. So I will look into the hash map and I will see, okay, is there any server which will be available at this? No. Okay. Okay. So in my opinion, this will work, but I can't understand the time complexity of this. So what I am doing is I'm iterating on all the what array, right? Using the set will be log of m, right? But I don't know about this. Okay, maybe what I can do is uh to go to okay. Hmm. Okay, let's just try to code it and let's see whether it works or not. So what I will do is first of all I will create a vector array. First of all, I will need the n will be the task size and m will be the server size, right? Servers dot size. Okay. So this will be the task size and server size, and I will create a vector answer array of length n, right? Okay, fine. Then I will create a set of a pair integer comma integer, right? Integer comma, and it will be three servers. So it will store the free servers, right? What I will do is for first of all, I will say, okay, all servers are free. So free servers dot insert, but uh, first of all, I need the weight. So weight will be what? Servers of I and then the index, right? Because I need to first of all find the minimum server weight. And if there is, if say there is more than two servers which have the same weight, then I will look on the index part, right? I will choose the whichever has the minimum index. Okay. Also, I need to create a hash map, let's say for index integer, and I need to store a vector of pair of integer. Okay. Let's say this is empty. Okay. So what I will do is now my current timer is 1, right? Okay, fine. Now what I will do is I will iterate on the whole array, task array. Okay. Now what I will do is first of all, what I will do is for every pair in MP of this timer. So I will say, okay, is there any available free servers that was previously occupied? Is now there is any server that is free currently? So simply insert it in my free servers, right? T servers dot insert this P, right? Okay. Now for this, what I will do is to iterate, right? It will be nothing less than free server dot begin. Okay. So first, whichever is the first in my set, that will be my answer for this correct particular answer. So answer of this index will be id dot second because I need the index of that. Then I need to erase this. No, uh, let's say let take up this pair in some another server. Let's name it as serve, and it will be what star of IT, right? Star of IT. Now I can erase this from free servers. So free servers dot erase this IT. Okay. Now once this has been erased from the server, I need to insert it in my map. So current timer is this. So it will be inserted in whatever MP of current timer plus plus what plus whatever task whatever time is going to take. So it will be task of I. I will push back this serve, right? And in the end, what I will do is I will simply return the answer. In my opinion, this is the correct. Okay, I know it will not work. Like if there are no servers free for the current timer. Let's say let's see for these two test cases right now whether they will work or not. Okay. So there is an issue. Okay, so spelling issue vector. That is fine. Hmm. Wait, what? Okay, so one extra should be there. Let's see. Let's see now. Time limit exceeded. Okay, so I did not do something. Okay, so then okay. No, it is fine. Okay. Okay. It where is showing time limit exceeded? Okay, I did not insert a timer. Okay, I need to update timer also. Okay. So these two cases are working, but I know it will fail. It will fail. Okay, wait a second. So I know it will fail when. So let's say my set becomes empty and all the servers are, let's say, available at, let's say, one server is available at 5th second, server is available at 6th second, and let's say another server is available at 9th second, right? And I'm currently at, let's say, third second, right? And my set is empty, right? And in my current timer, there is no limit, right? Okay. So whenever this happens, what I need to do is, right? This is the condition where when my set is empty and what? Okay. So what here? What I will do is, okay. That is interesting. Okay. My set is empty, right? Right. So what I will look for in my answer, but I will look for the upper bound of this, right? I will look for the upper bound. So next server is available at this 5th second. So now my timer will be upgraded to here, right? So what I need to do is say, okay, I inserted it, but let's say there was no contributor, right? So let's take a base case. So if my server is empty, if free servers dot size, or let's say empty, if free server is empty and empty of timer, this will be a vector. Let's say its size is equals to 0. Then this will be the case. Then my timer will be nothing less than upper bound of this. So empty dot. So let's see upper bound map upper bound. Okay, okay. So okay, let's see. Okay, okay. So it will be what? Sorry, it will be mp dot sorry upper bound of I'm looking for the upper bound of this timer, right? So timer. So this will be an iterator, and this will be an iterator. So what I'm going to do is timer will be whatever this is, and this first, right? So this will be my new timer, right? Let's see star of id dot first. Wait, what? mp dot insert map. Let's see now. This, this. What is happening? Is it running or what? Okay, so it is giving me error saying that in direction required pointer operator. So let's say, okay, let me write it correctly. So let's remove it. So it will be a iterator. Iterator equals to this. Copy of upper bound of this. Okay, right. So it will be not first. I think it's arrow. Yes, it is arrow. Okay. So timer will be what? Timer will be now IT arrow first. Okay. So I will write a base case for this. Let's say it will be what? It's a base case is okay. So there are three servers, right? And let's say it is going to take 7 days. It's going to take 46 days, 32 days, and it is going to take 60 days. And let's say 460. Okay. Now for these three, these will be available, right? Now for this, it need to wait what? Let's see whether this will be the case where there is no directed, right? Let's see, will this work or not? Okay, so now it is working. Okay, 20121. Okay, okay, fine. Uh, what will be the time complexity of this? I don't know. I'm curious about this, right? Because I'm inserting some servers. In my opinion, in worst case, it will be an n cross n. But let's see whether this will solve or not. Wrong answer. No, wrong answer. Why wrong answer? Mm, 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 mm. Wrong answer. Let's use this test case. Let's see whether if it is coming from here or not. And remove this, remove this, remove this. Okay. Let's see whether it is a case of what I'm thinking or not. Okay, then it's time limit exit. Okay. So this is the case. Here it is giving me wrong answers. If free server is empty, so empty of timer dot size equals to 0. Okay. To iterator. So I'm looking for upper bound. Of course, I'm looking for upper bound. Timer will be IT error first. Is there anything else hidden that their task is intern? As long as they are free server and the queue is not the task in the front. Okay. If there are no C and queue is not empty, we wait until the servers become free and immediately assign the next task. If multiple servers become free at the same time, this will handle the case if at the same time multiple servers are free. Right? Okay. Hmm. Why it is giving wrong upper bound? Right here first. Okay, here is 56, 36, 56. Okay. It is giving a wrong answer. Am I missing some case? Is it because timer is starting from 1? No. Okay, so if there are no free service, so I'm looking for the upper bound. Upper bound means that is the minimum time where the next server will be available, right? Hmm. So I am updating that timer to the IT error first, right? And then I'm doing this. Hmm. There is something here. I'm inserting this. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the first server, right? Smallest base and the smallest index 2. 3 comma 0 will be here first, right? And answer of 5 will be whatever is index of that. Okay. I'm erasing this. Oh, you wait. Will there be duplicates? No. Why? Because index is unique, right? Yes. So should not be data problem. So timer plus task of I. Okay, I think here is the issue. Timer plus task of I. Pushback serves. Okay. I'm getting the timer. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Where it is going on? Let's look something here. Servers of I starts with one, right? A task of J can also take one time. That is fine. Hmm. Field server dot erase star IT. So am I removing the first, right? Okay. Give timer plus task of I plus pushback serve. I think instead of set, I should have used main heap, right? Because erase popping out is easy from there. Okay. But that is for another case. What am I missing here? I'm thinking will be what, more than one index? So I took out, okay. 4 is plus, okay. Now what? Now what? Okay, okay, let's see. I'm not able to think why it is giving me edge case here. Is there anything interesting here? Yeah, okay. Servers are good. Task. This task is something bothering. No, task is also fine. Then why? Is there anything related to wait? Tasks are assigned to the server using a task queue. Initially, all the servers are queue and the queue is empty. At second, the J task is inserted into the queue, starting with the zero task inserted at second zero. As long as there are free servers and the queue is not, the task in the front of the queue will be assigned to the free server with the smallest waste. And in case of it is assigned to the with the server with the smallest index. If there are no free servers and the queue is not empty, we wait until a server becomes free and immediately assign the next task. Multiple becomes free, then okay. A server that is assigned task A will be free at T plus task of J. Right? Okay. So return the array answer. Okay. Hmm. What should I do here? Say my raw answer 56, 36, 56. Okay, maybe there is issue of what this timer maybe. If I am not updating this, okay. Wait, what? Hmm. See the guide. You can maintain a heap of available servers and a heap of unavailable servers. Is that what I'm doing? Creating a heap, yes. Unavailable servers. Oh, that is good. Why it is giving a watch? Okay. So I need to create a mini heap of the servers. And for this, what I will do is I will create a, but that is also what I'm doing, right? If the free servers is empty and empty of time. Okay, let's see. Maybe it is off. No, it should be on. Maybe timer plus plus has some issue. I need to update the timer, right? Hmm. Also, okay. Where is the issue? Hmm. Okay, so first one is getting 36. So it will be available at timer plus task of time. So whatever time I am actually need. I hmm, next 56 and 36. 56, 01, 01, 02, 5, 6. Okay. So 147 or 889. So mine one is saying I will choose this one. This is saying I will choose 889. So will you only process data from okay, so there is some issue with the test case. Let me think it on. Hmm. Try with this easier test case. Server is okay. Let's me try this. Server is let's say 123, okay. And the tasks are 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, right? Yes. It is 0, 2, okay. So for this, which server will be available? So this has the minimum server, right? So it will be for this the answer should be 0, right? So currently servers are one sorry, it's 1 0, 2 1 and 3 2. Hmm. Now this server will be available at what? 0 plus, sorry, 1 plus 5, that is, it will be available at 6 time, right? 1 comma 0. Now I'm moving here. I'm at what time? 2 times, second time. Is there any server level? Yes. So this will be chosen, so it will choose one. Okay. I'll say what? I'm at 2 time. Okay. It will take 4 time. I will say okay. At 6 time, this server will be available. So 2 comma 1. Okay. And I will remove this again. And I am now at third second. So okay. Is there any free server available? Yes, 3 comma 2. So it will be assigned 2. And so it will take 3 plus 3 6. So at 6, 3 comma 2 will be again pushed. Okay. Yes. Now I'm at 4 seconds. So at 4 seconds, there were no, the queue was empty, right? This will be popped out. The queue was empty, and the upper bound of 4 in the map is 6. So timer will now become 6. So I am currently at 6 here. Now these all element will be again pushed, right? Right. So again, these all values will be there. So again, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 1, and 3 comma 2. Right. Again, for this, the answer will be this. So it will be 0. And for this, okay, okay, okay. It will now at 7th second, 1 comma 0 will be still available, right? Yes. So I'm at 7th index, so it will be 0. So answer should be 0 1 2 0 1. Wait, why? Should be 0, right? Because at the 6th, 7th, so at 7th second, 1 comma 0 will be available. So because of why should or should why should we or should be continuously? Fourth and the fifth task performed at the time fifth. As both tasks have crossed their arrival time, and we have server available as well to perform them. Wait, what? No, because the fourth and the fifth task, this fourth and the fifth task are performed at the time fifth. If I'm starting from zero, yes. If I'm starting from timer one, then it will be at fifth. Okay. As both tasks have crossed their arrival time, and we have server available as to perform them. You can pick multiple tasks together. Wait, I'm still not able to understand what is wrong. Code for description. You will be able to process JS charge task starting from the JS second, beginning with the JS 0 task at second 0. And if multiple tasks need to be assigned, assign them in order of increasing index. You may assign multiple tasks at the same second if there are multiple free servers. In the beginning, each and every server is free, but we didn't assign multiple tasks to every server. You will be able to process the JS task starting from the JS second, beginning with the This can explain a lot. Not all the tasks are available in the beginning. But in the beginning, only task 0 is available. Like, wait, what? Hmm. Actual problem statement. There is a queue. Scheduling a task onto a server takes no time. So we can possibly schedule multiple tasks on multiple servers at the same time. And if we have the resources, if task cannot be scheduled when it arrives, it must wait until there are free servers. But it means, let's say timer is 0. Okay, let's start with that. And also it is giving the same issue. Oh, okay, okay. I understood it. Yes. So what I'm doing wrong here is suppose suppose there are three servers, right? At some time, there are three servers. So one server is this, right? Right. And there is tasks such as 7, 8, and let's say 9, and let's say 10, 11, right? Right. Hmm. So these all tasks will be assigned to these three servers in the same time. Okay, that is something interesting. So, okay, so instead of this, what I will do is, let's say now currently I have inserted. So what I will do is, okay, so while I have free servers, right? While I have free servers, right? While I have free servers, what I will do is, I will do this. So while I have free servers, I will take the first one, assign it, I plus plus, let's say. Not here, let's say again, right? I'll take the first task. Okay, serve is this. Okay, free server dot erase. Okay, okay, free servers dot begin. Okay. So what I'm doing is, let's say I have three servers, and let's say I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? These are the tasks available. So and I am currently at, let's say, time, let's say 8. So I know that at a particular time 8, I can push I can use all these, right? I can use all these servers to fill this, right? So what I am doing, so I is currently this. So I am using this, okay, so it will be this. Okay, but let's say it gets available at again. Okay, so don't need to do this. Okay, so I need to update the timer only when what? I need to update the timer when? Okay, if there are free servers, right? If free servers dot size, sorry, empty. Hmm. So what I'm doing is if there are available servers right now, so then don't update, right? So if there are available servers, then don't update. If there are no available servers, then increment the time. Hmm. Now it is giving very fast. What is the case here? Hmm. I understood this, but still what I'm not able to think is, let's say at particular time 5, I know these three servers is available. So I'm doing correct, right? Free servers dot empty time at business. Hmm. So what I took care of this is what? Let's say I have two servers and let's say three tasks. 3, 4, 7, 8. Right? I'm currently at 8th second. So I know for sure that these two will be using these maybe three servers. Okay. Okay, let's remove the timer. Okay. I think now it will work. No? Mm, I really think what should be the case here. Mm, Currently, what I'm doing is I'm checking whether at particular time is there any free servers, right? Okay, and I'm updating the timer. So updating the timer is doing not good, right? Okay. Hmm. Let me do something else. So why I'm updating the timer? Because I'm saying that at particular this index only this second will be there. Oh, if multiple servers becomes clear at the same time, then multiple tasks from the queue will be assigned in insertion following the wait. Right. So while okay, so what I was initially writing was correct. Okay. So while free service is not empty, so what I will keep on doing is this, right? Let's say multiple servers become empty, right? So this service becomes empty, and let's say the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I know for these will be available, right? At the let's say 8th second, and from here onward they will be at 9 or whatever. But for currently, these all will be at the 8th index. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing is taking out the best candidate. I'm putting this and I'm updating on the MP array. Okay. It will take a, let's say, timer plus whatever the time is at 9 seconds. Minimum is 1, right? Then this, it should be I plus plus. Okay. It's a bool flag. True. Okay. Let's take a false here. So if flag is false, then what? I should decrement I1. Okay. Because there is one I plus plus here also. Okay. Then I should update the type. Now let's see. Still giving me wrong answer. Oh my God. It's wrong. And let the servers are 1, 2, 3. And the tasks are 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, right? So I know for these, wait, what? 0, 1, 2? Zero, 1, 2. Okay, let me see. You will be able to process the jth task starting from the jth second, beginning with 0 task at second 0. You will be able to process the jth task beginning with 0 task at 0 second. Hmm. Okay, I know this, but still trying to think what is wrong here. If a task cannot be scheduled when it arrives, it must wait until there are free servers. That is correct. But they are arriving at seconds, right? No, wait, what? So here, what he have done is he's created a to be free and busy. He first of all pushed all the okay, created a queue, right? Okay, bring while answer size less than size. Okay, bring all eligible tasks to the task queue. Okay, so for I equals to answer size plus task queue dot size. It's different for tasks at index 147 when both server is 681. Already there are processing waiting in the queue, which couldn't be assigned previously. So you need to assign servers to all of them at the moment. Oh, whoa, whoa, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now I'm able to understand. But wait, what? What is going on? Let's see. Okay, so the issue is not that. Issue is, let's say, let's say a task, let's say 3, 4, this is 7. Okay, this come at the third index, third second, this come at the fourth, this come at the fifth, let's say this come at the sixth index, right? Now let's say I'm at this particular, right, I'm at the third second, and right now there are no free servers. And they are saying that, okay, the servers will be available at now sixth second, right? Sixth second, one server will be available. That is fine. So it will be assigned, okay. But they are saying, okay, not one server, there are multiple servers. Let's say 3 servers are assigned, right? 3 servers are available at 6. So, So these all servers will assigned, but again it is showing something.